Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time. I miss doing tutorials. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. We are learning Mamamoo's very new song, Hip. So hopefully you are excited about this song because this one, I really like it. It's a different kind of song. Mamamoo always has a new one, so I'm digging it. So today I'll be teaching you the chorus of this song. This is the explanation part of this tutorial. If you want the music section, go ahead and click up here. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you can get tutorials as soon as possible. As per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored and let's get started. Alrighty, so I'll start a few counts right before the chorus. So first, we're gonna take our hands as if they're like little doors, little gates, okay? So we're gonna step with our left foot and come in, step with our right, and step with our left, okay? As we step, we're going to bring our hands closer. Is literally the word say closer, 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 okay? So bring it together as they're closing, as if you're closing the doors, okay? So again, we come 1, 2, 3, okay? Cool. Now once we've done 1, 2, 3, now we're going to bring our feet shoulder width apart, okay? And you're gonna do this move a lot. So we're gonna bring our hand to our mouth, okay? As if we're thinking like so. And then we're gonna go 1, 2. Now you're gonna lean your head to the left. So come 1, 2. So hip and the next movement, we're gonna come up, okay? So take your hands as if you're ready to hit both arms up, and we're gonna go 1, 2, okay? Hit 1, go lower 2. The next movement, we're going to cross and bring your knees together, like so. Cross and, okay? Again, we're gonna come up and 1, 2, cross and, okay? So when you end, you should have your hands like on your knees, okay? Again, from the top, we come closer, closer, closer. Now together, 1, lean, up, 1, 2, cross, hit, okay? The next movement, they're gonna go mori, so that's head. So basically, they said head, shoulder, knees, hip. I'm pretty sure that's what the translation is. So everyone in this next few movements are going to do something a little different. I think I did a little bit of a combination, so feel free to just kind of play with it. This is where your creativity comes in, just a little bit. I'm gonna lean to the right and come head. And then once I hit, I'm gonna lean to the left and go shoulders. And then we're gonna come knee. So we're not gonna come and bend all the way down for the knee. We're just gonna lightly come as far as you can on your thighs. And then hip, we're going to kick with our left foot up like so. And get ready and like face to the right, all right? Okay, so let's start from here. We come, hit, cross, and come, head, shoulders, knees, hip, all right? And we're gonna kick and get ready for our next move. Now that we're here, we're going to go to our next move. So you're gonna take your arms and go counter, actually no, it's clockwise. You're gonna go clockwise. So take it out, 1, out, 2. Now, as we do with our legs, we're kicking, right? So we just come 1 and 2 and. Notice I step left, right. It just makes me more parallel and more completely facing to the right. Again, we come from the head, shoulders, come head, shoulders, knees, kick. Now 1, hit, 2, hit. Cool? All right, so then after you come 1 and 2, and you're gonna give it a little pause, and then you're gonna take your left arm, and then we're gonna come across as if we're slicing our body almost, our lower half. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, all right? I'm gonna face to the front, but we're actually gonna face to the right when we do this. So left hand out, right arm, come 1, 2, 3, and bring it together as we're doing this movement again, we're thinking. So I just showed you from the front, right? We're here, come 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna think. Now, we just did this movement, right? So we're facing to the right, come here, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, up. So I'm gonna bend a little, all right? Come left, right, up. Think, lean to the left. Lean your head to the left, okay? So let's kick and come rotate to clockwise. Come 1, 2, 3, come think, lean head. Let's start from the top and then add on. Ready? We come closer. Come closer, closer, closer. Come think, lean, come up, 1, 2, cross. Hit, now head, shoulders, knees, kick, 1 and 2 and 1 and together, lean. Cool. So once I just did the finish, come 1, 2, 3, lean. Then we're gonna do step with our left foot and lean to the left. So come step, lean to the left, step, lean to the right. Easy enough? All right, step, lean, give it some swag there. So the next movement, they go mori. So we're gonna go take it mori, and I'm gonna face more to the left and have my weight on my right leg. So mori, we're gonna come up, just across our head, across our face, come here. And then we're gonna quickly move to the left, okay? And we're gonna come cross and have our hands land on our shoulders, okay? And then when we go muro, which is knees, come muro, we automatically come down. Notice how I'm facing more towards the right. My weight is on my left leg. Come here, muro, hip. And now I'm just going to drag my hands all up on my thigh, come up and across the butt here, and we're gonna end with hands on hips, okay? So again, come head, shoulder, knees, and cross here. Okay, cool. So once I come knees up, we're having our hands on a hip, right? So we're gonna lean to the right, but as we do this, we're gonna go hit in, okay? So it's mostly the chest. Chest goes in, chest goes out, chest goes in. So 1, 2, 3. As I'm doing that, I'm going to lean to the right. So 1, 2, 3, up. Again, we are going to lean to the right. Come, chest in, chest out, chest in. Come together. So now your weight is back on your left foot. We're thinking again. Love this move. Thinking, lean your head to the left. So we just did our last thinking position, lean to the left. What we're going to do is, so the hand movement, I'm going to show you with the arms. You're going to come out, okay? Out, just parallel to the ground. Now down, and we're going to hit up with our right arm, okay? So with the leg movement, you're just going to lift your left knee up and then put it back down. So we're going to come hit, together, up, all right? So basically, it will land when you hit up with your right arm, but it comes 1, 2, hit. So that is it for the course tutorial. I will do a full review right in this moment. If you need more time, feel free to go back and take a look at the closer details of other steps. But if you're ready, let's do full review. Okay, final review. Let's start from the beginning with our hands. Step left, closer, closer, closer. Nothing, and up. 1, 2, cross, and head, shoulders, knees, kick. Now clockwise, hit, clockwise, pause, left, right, up, think, step, left, step, right, head, shoulders, knees, cross. Now in, out, in, come, think, and hit, and up. Thank you so much for learning this tutorial with me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, the music section will be in the description box below, or find it over here. All my social media sites are in the description box below. My Instagram is felicia.cover, so tag me if you guys choose to post this on Instagram. Alrighty, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the music section. Bye!